Good day everyone. So we have a problem of good way of equation about this. The 25 kilogram bar has a center of mass at gravity if it is supported by a small PCG at C, a roller A, and a coil AB. Determine the reactors that this supports. So we have our A peak. We have our two reactors that this peak is. We have AX and AY. And we have a 0.5 meter and 25 going downward towards 25 times 9.81. So we have 0.2 this diameter and 0.8 meter. And we have 30 degree of this diagram and 15 degree of this and 60 degree. So we have our B. So first we're going to get the summation of MA equals to 0. Counterclockwise positive, we have a PC. We have a PC times 0.7 meter minus 25 9 times 9.81 Newton, and we have a meter of 0.5 cosine 30 cos 0. So our PC is 1 by 1.71 Newton. So our substitution of Fx going to the right is positive versus 0. CAB cosine 50 minus 1 by 1.71 cosine 60 equals to 0. So on the CAB is 78.50. Going upwards, positive summation of Fy equals to 0. So our AY plus 78.53 sine 50 plus 151.71 sine 60 minus 25 times 9.81 equals to 0. So our AY is 93.54. Any question?
So why did you multiply that 9.81?
Kaya ito siya imposible lang mabugat sa 25. So, naman tayo gravity na 9.81. Ito siya times sa 9.81 para mo siyang